Lesson 37, Slope of a Line, Solving it Algebraically. Example 1. Find the slope of the line that passes through the points -2, -3, and 4, 6. The first thing I'm going to do is label each coordinate point. -2 is x1, -3 is y1, and 4 is x2, and 6 is y2. And I do this because this is the first coordinate pair and this is the second coordinate pair. So x1, the 1 represents the first x, and y1, which is the first y, and then x2, which is the second x, and y2, which is the second y. Now we're going to substitute 6 in for y2 and -3 for y1 into the formula to find slope. So the 6 is going to go into the y2 and the -3 is going to go into the y1. And then we're going to substitute the 4 for the x2 and the -2 for the x1. So we should get 6 minus -3 over 4 minus -2. Remember, when you have a negative next to a subtraction sign, that's the special case. So you're going to take both of these away and replace it with a plus sign. So we should get 6 plus 3 over 4 plus 2. And 6 plus 3 is 9, and 4 plus 2 is 6. And when we reduce that, we should get 3 over 2, because 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the slope of the line that passes through the points -2, -3, and 4 and 6 is 3 over 2. So the rise is 3, the run is 2. Example 2. Find the slope of the line that passes through 1, 3 and 2, 1. First again, we label our points x1, y1, x2, y2. And remember, x1 is the first x, y1 is the first y, x2 is the second x, and y2 is the second y. And then we're going to substitute those values into our formula. So 1 is going to go into y2, 3 is going to go into y1, 2 is going to go into x2, and 1 is going to go into x1. So we should have 1 minus 3 over 2 minus 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And when we simplify that, we get -2, or -2 over 1. So the slope of the line that passes through 1, 3 and 2, 1 is -2. So I'd like you to practice this. Find the slope of the line that passes through 2, 4 and 3, 1. Make sure you label the points first, x1, y1, x2, y2, and then substitute into the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and then simplify if you can after you solve that formula. Sentence frame, slope of a line. The blank of a line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2 is as follows. The formula is slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It does not matter which point you choose as x1 and y1 and which point you choose for x2 and y2.